Come and find out about extraterrestrials living in your neighborhood. It could be your next door neighbor, your aunt, or even your dog. I looked and I saw a windstorm coming out of the north. An immense cloud of flashing lightning, surrounded by brilliant light. So here, I think it describes a vision of a UFO, this kind of phasing light in the sky, very similar to the paintings of Turner. Turner is well known for painting pictures of UFOs over Margate. Their legs were straight like the flows of a calf and gleamed like burnished bronze under their wings on the four sides. Each had the hands of a man.